My name is Stefanie Fenton, and I do business consulting, specializing in the area of business strategy formation and operational scaling. What I love about it is that we're improving how the team works together by actually doing the work together. Most systems that are intended to help teams work better together really take teams out of the context of the work they have to do day to day, and then expect them to pull what they learn back into that context. And sometimes making that transition is very hard for teams. And this actually does both helping teams get clearer on the work to be done and how they want to do the work together while staying in the context of the business that they have to execute daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. I think the B state approach more explicitly addresses the way teams work together to get their work done. In B state, it's called the team habits. And in effect, that's the how of getting the work done and what is the work they have to do together. Most systems really talk about the what and leave the how to the team to figure out, or vice versa. They talk about the how, the culture, how we're supposed to interact and what our personality styles are, and then leave it to the team to figure out how to bring that back to their actual work to be done. This integrates the two in a way that works really, really well. The reason why I think this is going to be super helpful is because when teams call about strategy or operations, or even when stuff is messed up, I'll be able to bring in the notion of looking at how they're doing the work together in a way that I think will be palatable to them. The session allowed me to really understand the details of how to implement the B state system with a client. I also loved the session because I got to know a group of really wonderful people, and I got a chance to ask lots of questions to the people who authored the B state system. So it wasn't taught to me by somebody who learned it from somebody who learned it from somebody who learned it from somebody else, but literally the guy who made it was there telling us the nuances of the thinking behind it. And it was worth every minute that we invested in it. It's a really awesome system.